Yo, guys! I had this radio personality was on in some other drive show. Hey, this man is complaining about his wife has put the cheese over the cheese, has put 2 slices in the cheese. Hey, this guy, oh, dude, you're stressing over the cheese. We stressing, you stressing, we stressing, you stressing us that you have the cheese over the cheese. Ish. The cheese over the cheese. Like really you stressing. Some people don't have the cheese over the cheese. You stressing us, we stressing you, you stressing us, your wife is stressing you over the cheese over the cheese. Like really. You're stressing over the cheese. Some people out there are stressing a lot of things. You stressing over the cheese. God bless you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. You are blessed. You are God. We are God.